Hello students, welcome to our channel. This is Anand Kumar Singh. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 12th mathematics related to matrices. The topic which we are going to start today is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Before going to know what is a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, at first we are going to take an example. That is, let us consider a matrix A. Let unless God has been found going for circle. Let us take a matrix A of elements A, H, G, H, B, F, G, F, C of order 3 by 3. Now, if we take the transpose of this matrix A, then we will have, as we know that in our previous lecture we have learned that a matrix, if is given as like this, then transpose of this matrix will be obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. So the first row A, H, G will be changed into the first column. That is A, H, G will be like this. A, H, G. H, B, F will be H, B, F, and G, F, C will be G, F, C in the third column. Okay, it is also a 3 by 3 order matrix. Here we can see that the matrix A and transpose of A both are same. That is, the elements of A matrix are A, H, G, and A transpose first row elements are A, H, G also. Similarly, the second row and the third row are identical. Since A and A's transpose are same, then we can write A's transpose is equal to A. Now, let's go for what is a symmetric matrix. Now, symmetric matrices definition is a square matrix A. A square matrix A is said to be a symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a symmetric matrix if its transpose be equal to itself. If A's transpose is equal to itself, that is, a matrix is said to be a square matrix is said to be, obviously a matrix will be symmetric. At first it should require to be square matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if its transpose be equal to itself. The example what we have taken just now is A is this matrix. Okay, to recall this matrix, you can take a sentence, that is, a hornless goat has been found going for circus. It is a well-known symmetric matrix. Okay, now skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? Similarly, before going to know a skew symmetric matrix, at first we are going to take another example. Let B be a matrix of elements 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, -3, -2, -1. Let us take another example, B matrix of elements 0, 1, 2, -1, 0, 3, -2, -3, 0. Now, if we take the transpose of B, then we will have, as we know that to get a transpose of a square matrix or rectangular matrix, no matter what type of matrix we are going to deal with. Okay, now if we are going to find the transpose of B matrix, then its transpose will be after interchanging the rows into columns. Okay, the first row 0, 1, 2 will be changed into the first column 0, 1, 2. The second row similarly will be changed into the second column -1, 0, 3, and third row will also be like that -2, -3, and 0. Now, if we take the minus sign as common from the matrix, as we have learned the scalar multiplication of matrices, we are able to take minus sign as common. If we take minus sign as common, then 0 sign will be remain unchanged. Okay, -1 will be +1, -2 will be +2, +1 will be -1, 0 will be 0, minus 3 will be plus 3, plus 2 will be minus 2, and plus 3 will be minus 3, and 0 will be 0. Okay, if we take minus sign common from this matrix, then we will have minus of 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0. And here you can see this matrix which we have got just now, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, is like as B. We can say this is the B matrix. Okay, now instead of this matrix we can write here B. We can write here B. So here we have got the transpose of B matrix is negative of B matrix. The transpose of B matrix is negative of B matrix. Now let's go. What is the skew symmetric matrix? Okay, skew symmetric matrix is a square matrix also. Skew symmetric matrix is a square matrix also. Now a square matrix B is said to be, now a square matrix B is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if transpose of B be equal to the negative of itself. If the transpose of B be negative of itself, then the matrix B is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. Now altogether symmetric and skew symmetric matrices will be, let us consider a square matrix A. Now A is said to be a symmetric or skew symmetric according as if S transpose is equal to plus A and S transpose is equal to minus A respectively. If S transpose is plus A, that is if we discard this plus sign, if S transpose is A, then A is symmetric. And if S transpose is minus A, then A is skew symmetric. So students, if we are asked what is a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, then at first we have to take a square matrix and we have to take the transpose of it. If its transpose be equal to the given matrix or taken matrix, then it is said to be symmetric. If its transpose be equal to negative of that matrix, then this matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Okay, if you students find this lecture helpful to you, then please support us. Okay.